As October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month, we wanted to give you a few sobering facts about it. 1 in 3 women and 1 in 4 men will be victims of some form of domestic violence in their life. 1 in 4 women and 1 in 9 men will actually experience extreme violence, intimate partner violence, in their home over the course of their lifetime. 1 in 7 women and 1 in 18 men have been stalked by an intimate partner to the point where they feared for their lives or believe they may be harmed or killed. 72% of all murder-suicides are intimate partner related, and 94% of them are women victims. Another really sobering fact, and something that is disturbing to a lot of people, including parents like me, is that 1 in 15 children are exposed to domestic partner violence in their home, and 90% of those children are actually eyewitnesses to it. So why are we talking about all of these really scary numbers? It's because we can help. Here at Busciglio Sheridan and Show, we offer so many services and just resources. We don't want to just say, we can get you a divorce, we can get you in a safe place, we can help you with an injunction to protect yourself, an injunction to protect your children, very important. So if any of those apply to you, there may be something we can do to help you, not only as lawyers, but as resources for you, counselors for you. We want to get you into a safe place. We want to protect your assets. We want to help you protect your children. We want to help you protect the life that you had, the life that you expected to have. And we don't want you to go it alone. We want to be your partners in the law and in life and get you to where you need to be in a safe and happy environment. If you need immediate resources in our area, the Tampa Bay area, there are several, and included in that is CASA, Alpha House, and the Spring of Tampa Bay. All of these are wonderful resources, especially if you need to get out from where you are and go somewhere safe. But you can also always call us at our Tampa office, 813-225-2695, and we can get you those resources and we can help you get to where you need to go right away. Please remember, we're here for you. We're here to help you in all your legal matters, but in every other way as well. We want to be your friends, your partners in law.